Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the Bittoken withdrawal. Okay, I have received a lot of requests from people. Boss, please can you help us make a video on how to withdraw from Bittoken? And some also ask me question if they should do their KYC and then continue mining the phase 2. Okay, in this very video, I'm going to be answering two questions. Number one is I will show you how to withdraw. Then number two, should you continue mining the phase 2 or not? Should you do the KYC? These are the questions I have received. But before I proceed with this video, guys, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is not financially advised. I am doing this video based on the question which people have asked, and I'm doing it based on my own experiences on the platform. So therefore, any action you take after watching this video, Sparky will not be responsible for it. Like I said, I am not a financial advisor, as you are advised to conduct your own background researches before making any decision on this platform. It is very important. Okay, thank you as you make your own research after watching this video. Okay, now how do you withdraw your money from this platform known as Bittoken? Before I proceed, what is Bittoken all about? Bittoken is a crypto mining project. Just is a Web3 project where one can actually mine and accumulate the tokens. And when you accumulate the tokens, you can actually withdraw it. That's if you mine the phase 1, because the phase 1 mining has ended and snapshot has been taken, and those that can withdraw are actually those who mine the phase 1. And then the phase 2 is currently on. And then for those that ask me if you should do KYC or continue mining or not, I am not a financial advisor. If you want to do KYC, you can do KYC for future purpose. And then if you don't want to do KYC, you can leave it. If you know you can mine, you do your KYC. And if you know you can't mine, why doing KYC? Because doing KYC to me maybe it may not be proper, but if you are mining, it may be proper. Although, so that is it, guys. So you can see that I am mining, as you can see, and this is the point I have mined so far. So that is it. So what are the essence of KYC? KYC simply means know your customer. So it is when you do your KYC on this platform, and then they are yet to list. They have not listed yet on exchanges, but their P2P trading is currently on. They have launched their P2P market where one can actually purchase the token and then sell the token. So if you have token you have accumulated during the phase 1 mining and you don't want to wait for the listing date, you can sell it. Okay, for the reason that people have been asking me, boss, please do video for us on how to withdraw, and then I decided to sell some of my tokens. Okay, I decided to sell some of my tokens so that I can use it for the video tutorial to show you guys how it's being done. Now for you to withdraw, your KYC must be done and you must have mined phase 1. If you mine phase 1, that is when you can withdraw. If you did not mine phase 1, you can't withdraw. If you are mining phase 2, it means you can be able to withdraw after the second snapshot, because second snapshot is coming once the phase 2 mining ends. Okay, so click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, you can see the option of P2P trading here, and you can see the option of KYC completed. Once your KYC is completed, then you can actually request a withdrawal on this platform. Okay, but if your KYC is not completed, you can't withdraw. It is only when your KYC is completed you can now sell it in the P2P market. When you click on the P2P market, you can sell it there. So when you sell it there, the minimum withdrawal is $10. This is your balance. Now when you don't have any balance, or if you don't have up to 10 USDT balance here, the only option you'll be seeing is deposit history, commissions. Then when you have something to withdraw, you will have withdrawal. So click on withdrawal. So you can see the minimum amount is 10 USDT. So now they're going to ask you to paste your address. Which address are they talking about? BEP20 address. That's USDT BEP20 or BSC is known as BSC or BEP20. So when you copy your USDT BEP20 address, you can paste it here. So when you paste it here, you can see this place here. You get code. They are going to send you code on your Telegram. You know, if you are registering on this platform, those that join the platform, you know they will ask you to connect your bot with Telegram so that you can easily get your verification code to verify that you are the owner of the account, that you are not making this withdrawal illegally, that you are making the withdrawal from legal accounts. Okay, so they will so when you click on get code, they are going to send you code on your Telegram. Okay, you enter the amount you want to withdraw here, and then you click on get code. Okay, so once you get the code, you paste it, and then you can see this option submit. So you can click on submit, and then when you click on submit, how long does withdrawal take? It takes it takes 24 hours to 72 hours to reflect on your account. So that is how to place your withdrawal on this platform known as Bittoken. Like I said, Bittoken is a drop. It is a Web3 project, and their mining phase 1 has ended. Their phase 2 is the one that is ongoing. And then, if you participated in their phase 1 mining and you are able to do your KYC, it means you can trade the P2P market and then withdraw your USDT. So I believe this video has answered your questions and also have solved your problem. And if this video have not solved your problem, please kindly comment below. I'll be there to reply you. If you have any other question in regard to this platform at all, if there is anything you don't understand, please comment in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and remain sparky. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family. Okay, and may God bless you as you share it. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so that you will not miss any of my latest updates. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys. I remain sparky.